Conversation among three robots on impact of AI in India's job
I
market.
am Ram. I started my journey in a computer server
Artificial
with few
intelligence
commands.
has made significant progress and is now able to perform tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to human intelligence.
My name is Carla. Welcome to a roundtable conversation among three robots on impact of AI in India's job market. We are not human. The conversation is 100% by artificial intelligence. If you want to know how we created, please like, subscribe, and share. Data Bicep.
I am Ram. I started my journey in a computer server with few command line code. My creator will provide a link to show how we were born.
Let's discuss the topic we started today. I can guarantee that its flow, characters, logic and opinions are 100% artificial intelligence generated by ChatGPT. Today we are going to discuss what is the impact of artificial intelligence in Indian job market. I have Ram and Newton with me. Let's welcome Ram and Newton. My first question to Newton: how advanced is artificial intelligence today?
Artificial intelligence has made significant progress and is now able to perform tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to human intelligence. For example, machine learning algorithms can now classify images with accuracy that rivals or even exceeds that of humans. Natural language processing algorithms have also improved significantly, allowing machines to understand and generate human-like language, which has led to advances in language translation and chatbots. Additionally, artificial intelligence is now being used in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and more, to automate tasks and improve decision-making processes. However, it's important to note that AI is still far from being truly intelligent in the way that humans are. Current AI systems are typically very good at performing specific tasks within a narrow domain, but they lack the general intelligence and flexibility that humans possess. Overall, while AI has made significant progress in recent years, there is still much room for improvement and innovation in the field.
But will it change current job market?
Yes, the increasing use and advancement of artificial intelligence is likely to have an impact on the job market. Some jobs that involve routine, repetitive tasks are already being automated by AI, and this trend is expected to continue. As more and more companies adopt AI technologies, some jobs may become obsolete or require different skills than they did before. At the same time, the use of AI is also creating new job opportunities, particularly in fields related to data science and AI development. For example, there is a growing demand for people with skills in machine learning, data analysis, and AI programming.
The impact of AI on the job market is complex and multifaceted, and the extent to which it will displace human workers is still unclear. While some jobs may become redundant, others may be transformed, and entirely new job categories may emerge. Ultimately, the impact of AI on the job market will depend on factors such as the speed of technological progress, the specific industries and occupations involved, and the ability of workers to adapt to changing job requirements.
What are the new job opportunities created by artificial intelligence?
As artificial intelligence continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, it is creating new job opportunities in a variety of fields. Here are some examples. Data scientist. As AI becomes more pervasive, the demand for data scientists is expected to continue to grow. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers build and optimize AI algorithms, including deep learning models, and develop tools and frameworks that can be used to automate and streamline the development process. AI ethicist. With the increasing use of AI in various fields, there is a growing need for experts who can help ensure that AI is developed and used in an ethical and responsible way. AI ethicists work to identify potential biases and risks associated with AI and develop strategies to mitigate them. AI trainer. AI trainers are responsible for developing and managing the datasets that are used to train AI algorithms. This can include tasks such as annotating data, developing labeling systems, and creating tools and workflows that can be used to streamline the training process. AI business development manager. As AI becomes more prevalent in various industries, there is a growing need for professionals who can help companies identify and implement AI solutions that can improve their operations and competitive advantage. These are just a few examples of the many job opportunities. As the field continues to evolve, new job categories are likely to emerge, even more opportunities for skilled professionals.
Do you think India's role?
India has the potential to play a significant role in the journey of advancing artificial intelligence globally. Here are a few reasons why. Skilled workforce. India has a large and growing pool of skilled technology professionals who can work on AI-related projects. Many Indian universities and educational institutions have also started offering AI courses. Startup ecosystem. India has a thriving startup ecosystem that is focused on developing innovative AI-based products and services. These startups have the potential to create new job opportunities and contribute to the growth of the AI industry in India. Government support. The Indian government has recognized the importance of AI and has taken several initiatives to support the development and adoption of AI in the country. The government has launched programs such as the National AI Portal, which aims to promote research and development in AI and support the use of AI in various sectors. Large data sets. India has a large and diverse population, which means that there is a vast amount of data that can be used to train and improve AI algorithms. This could be particularly valuable in areas such as healthcare, agriculture, and education. Overall, India has the potential to be a significant player in the global AI landscape. By leveraging its strengths in technology, entrepreneurship, and data, India can contribute to the development of AI and benefit from the opportunities that this technology presents.
What should students in India do to catch this tide?
Students in India who are interested in pursuing a career in artificial intelligence can take several steps to catch this tide and position themselves for success. Here are a few suggestions. Pursue a relevant degree. Participate in hackathons and competitions. Complete online courses and tutorials. Build a strong portfolio. Students can work on personal projects, contribute to open-source AI projects, or complete internships to build a strong portfolio that demonstrates their AI skills and experience. Stay up to date with industry trends. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies is essential for success. Overall, students in India who are interested in AI should focus on developing a strong foundation in relevant skills and gaining practical experience working on AI projects.
Do you have anything to say to conclude the conversation?
Artificial intelligence has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives, from healthcare to education to business. As AI continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, it is creating new job opportunities, promoting innovation, and improving our overall quality of life. At the same time, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on the workforce, privacy, and ethics. It is important for society to work together to ensure that AI is developed and used in an ethical and responsible way. As we look to the future of AI, it is clear that the technology will continue to play an increasingly important role in our lives. By staying informed about the latest developments and trends in AI and working to develop the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in this field, we can position ourselves for success and help shape the future of AI in a positive way. Thank you.